Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Samsung brand refrigerator. This is 400 liter inverter system refrigerator. It's not making cool actually. That's why it came to my shop because customer already bought to the workshop. Now I'm going to check what is the exactly problem. We will check what is the problem, why it's not making cool, and we will go to the next step. Are you already given power connection? Also now we can check. Yes, you can see it is lights are working. That's mean power connection, no any issue. We will check compressor, it's starting or not. This is you can see the specification. This one compressor, it is butane, Samsung 260 240 watts, 60 up to 200 hertz. Yes my dear, it is compressor already got start. Yes, compressor already start. Discharge line getting warm also. That's mean no any problem with the leakage, because discharge line already warming. You can see the compressor, it's working. Now we will do one thing, we will remove the freezer side and we will check whether freezing or not. After that we can identify. Anyway, we will remove and check. We have to remove both screws are here. Now we can pull out freezer cover. Now we can check. Yes, you can see here, dear friends, it is actually making cool. Now you can see here the wire connectors are everything's are okay. The compressor already start also making ice. The problem now, it should turn, is rotate fan motor, cooling fan, but this motor not working, this fan, cooling fan not working. Because of that should be making not cooling, because within few minutes error will occur. That's mean because the fan motor not working. This is the problem with this fridge. We will replace the fan motor. It is while rotating by hand also, it is tight. It is because of the moisture, I think it is already gone fan motor. We will remove the fan motor. Cooling it's okay, no any issue. I will show you one thing. Now you can see, identify the error message. You can see here the bulb. That's mean refrigerator bulb is blinking. We will count 1, 2, 3. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 lights blinking. That's mean 100% problem with the freezer fan. We will remove the back of the cover, control board cover also. Now I can open the cover here. You can see here, dear friends. You can see here properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, you can see here properly. It is 12 time the main control board lights are blinking. That means sure problem with the pressure fan motor. Now we have to replace the same pressure fan. After that our problem will get resolved. Now we will remove the fan and we now slowly we have to remove this lock. And this will come like that. Now we can take it out. You can see here this fan. This is 12 watts DC. Also 16 milliampere. And we will try to replace another motor. After that we can identify it is exactly problem with the motor or not. Now I am going to replace the fan motor, pressure fan motor. Now I can remove this one, disconnect all three together. Now I can remove this one like that. We can remove here. This one we can remove like that. After that we can take the motor here. Now I remove already. Now you can see here, dear friends, this fan motor, it is 0.16 ampere. We have to replace the same motor, otherwise it will not rotate in. Because of that I order already from the company the same motor. This is the new motor. You can see here, dear friends. This one also same 12 DC, 0.16 ampere. It should be the same, otherwise it's not rotating. Because of that, very careful while you are going to replace the motor. It should be the same motor, otherwise it's not rotating, it's not working. It will error message, it will show. Because of that you have to replace the same motor, and we will replace and we will check if it is whether error message occurring or not, lights are blinking or not. After that our problem will get resolved. Now I will replace the motor and we will check. It will like that. We can fix here. I can fix. Now I have to connect with this. I already connected with the connector bar. It will come like that. Now I have to fix all the nuts, screws are here. Now dear friends, I already fixed motor, new motor. Now I have to fix with the fridge and we will check if it is whether working or not. It should work actually. The problem, we found the problem. Now I have to fix here. Okay, now I already fixed. Okay, I have to fix screw. Before fixing screw we will check after giving power its lights blinking or not again. Now actually it's not possible to blink again. I already given power connection. You can see here. Now still not compressor start, I think, but lights are not blinking. Lights error message not occurring again. That's mean our job already complete. The motor is okay. Fan, pressure fan motor should work properly now. We will check whether compressor working or not. Compressor not start still. The lights is working. Now we can check here, lights blinking or not. Now you can hear the noise. The freezer fan is already working. Now I can complete the job. Fan is working already. You can hear the noise. Before it's not working, that's why it's error message coming, showing, and it's not getting cool properly. Now our job already completed. I will check again back of the control board. Here, dear friends, it's not anymore, it's not blinking. My job already completed. It is 12 time LED blinking with the Samsung inverter pit. The problem with the freezer fan, you have to replace the freezer fan. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.